Well, good morning.
Tell me a little bit about your situation, because you've got quite a story.
I came, never feel so good before in my entire life. I don't even remember when I feel healthy. And I give the chance to myself to feel healthy and to be happy. And I came to Dr. Bogart and his team. And I can say that someone that suffers really bad about migraine and he take medications, prescribed medication for migraine, so far I'm migraine free. I feel my entire body being reset. That's a big thing for someone that is been living in pain almost entire life. So to kudos to this team, Dr. Bogart, thank you so much for even giving me everything, even my sexual life, everything. You know, I feel even younger. I'm 52 and I feel much better. So thank you so much.
It's our pleasure, and thank you for doing that. Thank you for letting us work on you.
Thanks.